Hello and welcome. In this short video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process we do to assemble every Pacific Floor Care RS28 auto scrubber and share the care and effort that goes into every machine. Each machine is assembled piece by piece in an assembly line fashion to be most efficient. The RS28 starts life from the wheels up with the drive and steering wheel up front and a freewheeling axle in the back. Next, the scrubber drive motors are put in place. Then the chassis is dropped on, tying the wheels and motors together. Bumper guide wheels are added to the chassis. The actuator and control arms that raise and lower the scrub head are connected. Then comes the brackets for the back squeegee. The steering column housing is bolted down, followed by the steering knuckle and shaft. The appropriate wiring is run to the scrub motors and actuator. Next comes the solution holding tank, and the wiring block is bolted to that. The recognizable Pacific blue front molding is added next. Several other brackets are added to the front of the solution tank for support and protection. The electronic control system is bolted to the chassis. The lift actuator is bolted in place and tested. Now the whole electronic system is wired so all the switches and motors work properly. With the wiring complete, the dashboard control panel is added, and a kick panel to protect the actuator. Then the steering wheel can be bolted on, followed by the panel to cover the steering components and wiring. The floor panel is added next, and that holds the accelerator pedal and protects all of the wiring system. Now the machine really takes its signature shape when the blue water recovery tank is added, along with the seat bracket and seat. Arms for squeegee blades are added to both sides, and the rear squeegee. The RS28 receives 4 batteries that are all protected by the patented Battery Shield battery protection system. With the batteries in place, this machine is ready for a test drive before it ultimately heads out to its future owner. And there it is, a fully completed RS28 auto scrubber. With our assembly line style system, each one of our trained technicians can output multiple units a day. All machines are proudly assembled right here in our Muskegon, Michigan facility with in-house rotomold capabilities.